Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with a standard battery range, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package and the 9.7 kilowatt Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back of the vehicle, we have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed camera as well with a tailgate step. We do get the nice Lightning logo right here, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And moving to the front here, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, that nice signature LED light bar, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can open with the key fob, the button on the lip there, providing you with tons of storage. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Your Power Onboard's just right here. You can turn on your frunk's light on or off, and you do get your storage underneath with a mobile power cord. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior with cup holders, storage, rear vents, USB-Cs, and 120 volt. A nice split folding rear bench, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 20 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View Trip, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select with tons of storage, cup holders, outlets, your center console with even more storage underneath, trailer brake, Protrailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate, some storage on the side here, upper and lower storage on the dash, and we have our hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our audio, we do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard, charge settings, drive modes, all that fun. And any apps you may download will show up here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings here as well. And your features of the vehicle, Power Onboard, just your usual stuff. And I'm going to go into our drive modes where we do have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, and your hill descent. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG22197, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.